Sorry, I'm see you Dr. Laji Mamudu Bomia and Kanokre or your Baulaya. And I make a tell say, you are John Dramani Mama. Where you JohnLi, where you don't on Kanokra, open politician, or my gun, muha on Kanokra, John Mama. And in the end, this Shaban. You are Dr. Laji Mamudu Bomia, on your president that. Vice President and why, and the Vice President will be Dean or my gun, and we feel what you know, will be a when in Sabu.
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagan and Sam TV so. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Danny from Mr. President. Baby whom from Mr. President and Major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section or Major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President and Major also sir. Kwede o baby agenda MPP. So the Munim your opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use John and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the upper by Mbia so Selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebuidi. Ya many am for the Messiah, Dr. Ladma Umbo Yama the NS Assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say, I'm man your 7 year. Eye daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprinti ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye ohunhu yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian we educationist, we medical doctor, we once I have more opportunity to serve public space. Do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Sorry, I'm see you Dr. Laji Mamudu Bomia and Kanokre or your Baulaya. And I make a tell say, you are John Dramani Mama. Where you JohnLi, where you don't on Kanokra, open politician, or my gun, muha on Kanokra, John Mama. And in the end, this Shaban. You are Dr. Laji Mamudu Bomia, on your president that. Vice President and why, and the Vice President will be Dean or my gun, and we feel what you know, will be a when in Sabu Duma. You are John Dramani Mama, ever year Vice President. We are saying, no one can say the president, you are Professor Fifi at a mess, class at a committee or no. Just up, you are John Dramani Mama, where you're true for a JohnLi. Me say me funny sector by sector. And I know me for education and me for Greek. Young Ebra, you are Dr. Laji Mamudu Bomia. And then another uncle, Omu free abem, maybe a cocoa war. Omu free abem, cocoa war 3,100 Ghana cedis. And this is for the year campaign. Send another danko for a book who cook your 4 faso. Neso much or 1 to your Canadian 6,000 to 7,500. And the year campaign in non cocoa gracier and a cocoa for the GD and no 2 abama. Mubai a cocoa no, saying a mode car. Mutumwa mutimi tumwa mani could do 3,625. Ye ni buy a now more catch as a world market price above them. It must be 2 cocoa bosso. I'm panning the ampa. Ye ni buy no want to cocoa bosso. I'm not baby 2,600 and something. After the more Yama Becky on a world market, no determined price or home. And I you are Dr. Laji Mamudu Bomia, the yes Samira, or net no more determined price or world market. And I'm just end this new word of Dramani Mama or Moncano crack or Muja true for. Don't the money, Mama, where your politician or you when you say Panu diatro. Omo you are John the money on my head, JohnLi, but can't say, Oba be 2 boho cocoa for BM at the politanka could sim. No ma connectama cocoa, your phone out your goo moonfuso. Maybe see Omo by a bosumi a dun suni. Cocoa queenie bay. And also, Oma be sovereign, no phone crack sense, you bet me to show her. E bini ho John Dramani Mama ye toro fo wadada kokko akuafo amoma to abama na wie omo to abama ni wie a afidi we twafo e dia fo medical di bewuro mo num Me say Ghana open politician wo ye trofo a me say wo say NDC ni wa John Dramani mama ho ebi ni ho we ye JohnLi we ye John won kan kore o hwe wanim han mu odi atro omo ba nom so omo wa becheche nkokon kitinkiti na me pese me hu say nkokon kitinkiti ehefo no me de nkokon kitinkiti na ma omo kasa ni abo nkokon kitinkiti no up to date akokɔ de ka me hu yeyi wache kura ye busumi enum ensia na akokɔ no aye ready Ghana what say ye chiche nkokɔ anase ye ton nkokɔ nkitinkiti ye say end fo nkokɔ nkitinkiti ye ton ebi ni ho eti nkokɔ nkitinkiti de hemfo no de ma wo mo kasa ni abo wo ho ye wura fa no markets onabo asefua ene ye wura ntimfo do mumma ye mumfa nko parliament ye hu se kasa ni abo won kokon kitinkiti no ehemfo ne de ma wo mo kokon kitinkiti omo wei kokon omo wei because have esen kokon kitinkiti na badwa so
obia static ehwe ne wallet so se ni mo sika adwoma ma ba be wi a oyi labi mo ye moa na je be before ye far better than mo mundi ni twaba sere se anadwo boja adwoma ma wo be wu na nsia se afa o chiche nkran nyame na atwa oka mundi so agimi ade no me afa kofo ade mo sa ye fa ba omi ekura san kan pass was odwan wunim se nyansan ni utima aboa wo ba se ento aba ma sa anye den na me catch us magic coffee ma boa me 3 months but ya kan to dance bi mo ma fa yan kwahia fo ne kakra of course wo ba so anu a share no kre no obi a share no kre no Ghana mpani fo agimi do especially NDC for wo ba anu a share no kre me to dance bi of course we are you got dustbins uncountable number of dustbins fatum from yeah abrofon kra na echelo wa ha no tell him I'm going to dustbin. What did you you have she part to that from of course every name now and me blue BMW in the me pay money moves baby and I me be fire and kwasi afoni kakra wo ba so no ahye no kran so I just any at all the greatest city on planet Earth New York City baby
initiatives from the president or the government but the successive governments have failed us. I can say on authority that we have not been empowered by any political party to embark on this demonstration. We contributed our own money, 20 cities, 30 cities, and we use it to, finance whatever we did. But I want to state that major developmental projects done here in Ada are done mostly by the NPP, government. But we don't vote for them. So we can't blame them much. NDC, we have entrusted our hope into them, and they failed us over and over. This is not a political talk, but it's the reality on the ground. So after this, the market women, the sea erosion, no ambulance in the district, no employment in the district, high utility tariffs like the ECG and the water bills, and so many. We can mention all. Everything has started. There is nothing working in Adam. We are tired. We are tired. Thank you.
Of the day, no, Pragiano, we have things inside, and yeah, Pragia, common Pragia, you. When you saw the Pragiano, didn't you see? Said there are some way equipment. A woman say you didn't panic to Mukrana, and your ordinary one said, "Yeah, this is some ball you." My goodness, why her picture no? Didn't you see the picture? And your ordinary one. Okay. Many who said there are some hospitals from 8 years under Nanado. Equipment I had check BP craba could pet and was our hospitals no and on a raising concern say health minister and his excellency John Dramani Mahama after equipment
and you can sit here and say under your 8 years telescope cry yantimi anya day antomani so na minima dry yantimi antobi obia provided ambulance for each constituency. A come out when who constituency be or one and I'm already who be. You sit on a doom FM and say for 8 years. Tell me that they will be a come
for ourselves. And when some of my party people say that when the table stand, they will do the same, they are not playing.
Yes, it's wrong.
They are not playing. It will be escalated because people are writing it. People are noting it. And I started talking about this in 2025. When I said that, I admit, whenever there is a change in government, there were a lot of things, some of these things happen. Can we agree to put a stop to it?
Yes.
And say that enough is enough? Let's begin to halt some of these things. When I said that, some of my NDC friends agreed with me. Some too felt like, hey, we've come to power, we should continue. You think that you go and arrest somebody for speaking, and when the table turns, that person has forgotten about you. They will come after you in multiple fold, and we'll be having the same conversation. I am saying what I am saying today because when the table turns, and somebody in my party is doing it to you, I can still speak because I'm speaking against it now, and I spoke against it then. Why are we doing this to ourselves, Alfred?
Okay.
That we say we have a law that says that nobody is above the law, including the judge. Well, we know in this country when judges took goats and money as bribes and skilled judgment. Have you gone to the magistrate court and the small court in the district before? I was an MC. There were occasions that I went to those courts. You weep when you see how citizens are being treated in those places where there are small lawyers, and some of them don't even have representation. So the reality is that indeed there can be judges that can be political. They are not above the law. If you are a judge and I have a case before you, and I think that you are singling me out and you are trying to use your position to come after me, there is a law that allows me to call you out and even petition and get you removed. So if for whatever reason you think that somebody has said that a certain judge is a political judge, it is not the police that comes to arrest the person and throws the person to jail. I am saying this because I'm saying this not because I support what the person has said. Hear me well. I am saying that whether you are the president, you are the chief justice, you are whatever it is, when somebody comes after your person or your integrity, the laws are there. It doesn't include police kidnapping me and putting me in jail. It says that I should take you on and let you prove how I became political. And if you fail to do that, the laws will punish you, which if it includes jailing, you are jailed. But the situation where we find ourselves today, that if the thing goes against people in government, then we weaponize it and call it hate speech and peddling falsehood. That is the danger that Miracles, I am worried about, and I think Addo Dee should also worry about. Now, Alfred, let's look at all the 17 issues. None of them are issues that Miracles will say with my mouth, or would even go into a meeting and tell my party person to say it. But the question is, since when did it become a crime? The things they've said. We're in this country, when Addo Dee and his party, including senior members of this government, were on the street, the communications officer of the NDC, Sami Jemfi, saying exactly what this lady has said today. In fact, what this lady has said today that she said, Kuna na do mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
And we sang it against
mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
So why is it not a crime? Why?
There is a gentleman who sits, what's his name? There's a gentleman who sits on Y0u TV also. He said it in plain language that he is surprised that another is not dead. And that God should kill him in a plane crash. So today, if you are showing me,
how should all these be dealt with?
No. So I'm saying that if you are showing me, so if you are showing me these cases, and today you are in government, your conversation shouldn't be that they've done something. The law should. You are hypocrites, because when you are in opposition, similar cases, you spoke against it, and the president today wrote a letter to Akufo-Addo. All the cases are listed in the letter. I'll give it to you. I can give it to you to share.
No, you condemn all these statements. You say these statements, even if they were said by persons within the party, your party, you don't associate with them. How do we address it?
No. Because it's an issue. Let's agree. Let's agree that we have a difference between morality and crime.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I am a Methodist.
Civil wrong.
Okay, I have went to Sunday school, went through. I can disagree with you. I can debate with you. I'll never insult you. It doesn't mean that another person doesn't reserve the right to insult you. That is his business. For some other citizens, they want to insult you.
They do.
The point is, if I insult you, is it a crime? If I say you, the judge, you are political, there's no crime. I'm not supposed to be in jail for even 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be sued by you.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? If I say that the Gauls should kill the president, I would never say that in my life. Never in my life would I say that. But if somebody says that the Gauls should kill the president, it is not a crime.
Oh, I wish you were there.
Or I wish that Addo Dee is dead. It is not a crime. If Addo Dee, even for whatever reason, feels slanted, it is not up to the Ghana police
chairman
to go and bundle the person.
Former NCA board chairman, a member of this government, went to complain